I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming system requirements, TPM2, 0 and secure boot, because Windows 11 enforces hardware checks. Once done, plug a USB 3.0 drive 16 GB or larger and back up its files. Next, download the Windows 11 ISO and the tool you'll use to write it, such as Media Creation Tool or Rufus. This step prepares both the image and the target media, so you can create a bootable installer quickly and reliably. Now create the bootable USB. In Rufus, select the ISO, set partition scheme to GPT for UEFI and file system to FAT32 if the ISO supports it. Otherwise, use NTFS with a UEFI-compatible option. If using Media Creation Tool, follow prompts to write directly. Click Start and monitor progress. Don't interrupt the write. Once it hits 100%, use the tool's Eject or Windows Safe Remove feature so the bootloader writes fully. And with the USB ready, plug it into the new PC and open the boot menu. Keys vary by manufacturer. Choose the UEFI USB device and follow Windows setup. Pick language, accept license, select Custom Install for a clean partition layout, then install. Make sure to enable TPM and Secure Boot in firmware if prompted. If the PC won't detect the USB, reboot, enable USB boot or legacy support, disable fast boot, or recreate the USB using a different port or tool. Then retry the installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.